finale of the third project of classes 1 to 5 for the Independence Day of India with the theme Ma Tu Meri Jaan was held in the Lutz Center School auditorium. Zian of class 4 compared the program. Father Gonzalez, the principal, escorted the chief guest Dr. Victor Machado, manager of Lutz Center School, to the dais. Arati of class 3rd A welcomed the gathering. Dr. Victor Machado, having thrown a few questions to children, stressed to love Mother India as their own mother and congratulated all those who participated in the various competitions that were held on the occasion of Independence Day. He also felicitated the winners by honoring them with certificates and prizes. The principal, addressing the gathering, spoke highly about the greatness and the rich heritage of Mother India. The PowerPoint report on the project was read by Adora of class 3rd and displayed by Mary D'Souza. Then followed the patriotic song trained by Joel Pereira and the finale dance by the enthusiastic children of class 1 and 2, choreographed by Mahesh. The oath of thanks was proposed in a unique way, displaying the characters of the freedom movement by Alka, Stacia, Sneha, Aditya Shah and Abhay Shah of class 3rd. India observed its 65th Independence Day, a day that brings every Indian from all walks of life together in a spirit of oneness and unity. This day, tributes are paid all over India to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to gain freedom for India. While it is not to be a festival or an annual observance, August 15th is one day when we celebrate the founding of modern India. Most of us wish each other and celebrate the joy of freedom, but our nationality threatened by some communal elements. They are not only bothering common man's life, they are in the edict of religion.
जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए संभालो यारो, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए संभालो यारो, खो रहा चैनो अमन, खो रहा चैनो अमन, हाँ मुश्किलों में है वतन, मुश्किलों में है वतन, सरफरोशी की शमा दिल में जला लो यारो.
Once again the main headlines. 65 years of Indian independence. We have achieved a lot in all fields. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh addresses the nation. Lutz Center School conducts Independence Day project. Celebrate the 66th Independence Day, unity in diversity spirited up. That's all in this edition. For more news, keep watching V4 News 24/7.